Every time your business uses cloud AI, something valuable leaves with it. Not just your request, your knowledge, your expertise, your competitive advantage. Every prompt, every document, every workflow helps someone else's AI learn more about how your organization operates. Now imagine a different approach. An AI that runs inside your organization, where your sensitive data never leaves your control, your information stays private, your intelligence stays protected, and your business stays in charge. Powered by enterprise-grade GPU infrastructure, it delivers fast, reliable AI exactly where your data lives. Use local AI for confidential workloads, connect to frontier AI models only when you choose, and keep complete control over security, privacy, and performance. Whether you're in education, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, or government, you can build smarter AI without giving away your organization's knowledge. The future of enterprise AI isn't just about being more intelligent. It's about being more secure, more private, and completely under your control. Intelligence built in.